While on my hunt for Nevada turquoise, I came across a store that said they were selling real Nevada turquoise. So first what I'm going to do is cut a strand of turquoise, pull some out, put this aside. Then I'm going to get a head pin and I'm going to string on 8 chips. So there's 8. So what I need is 5 more of these. So I have all of my 6 strands, and now we're going to need our tools: round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and flush cutters. So let's get started wire wrapping. I'm going to grab the very top and fold it back. So I'm going to do that on each one of the strands first. Okay, then we're going to come in with our round nose pliers, come to the same spot on our pliers, come up, over, down, rotate the pliers, bring it to the back. So I'm going to do this on all 6 of them. Okay, now that we've got all 6 done, we're going to attach our loop that we just made to the loop on our chandelier. We're just going to put it right through. So it looks like that. And then we're going to pinch it down. And then we're going to come in with another pair of chain nose pliers and we're going to wrap. So I went around 3 times, and then I can straighten this out a little bit, and then I'll come in later and I'll clip all these off. So let's put on our second one. We're going to pinch it down. Wire wrap it 3 times around. So it's 2 down. Okay. So that looks good. I'm going to stop there. I think there's some lint here. There we go. Last one, let's put it through. I straighten this out a little bit. Now I'm going to come in with my flush cutters and cut off the excess wire as close as I can. And let's do the other side. Oh, we didn't wire wrap all these. Looks like we have one more to wire wrap. I think this purple mat here is shedding lint. Okay. Let's wire wrap this last one. Now let's come in and cut off the excess. Okay, that's good. Okay, now we're ready to put on our lever backs. We're going to use our chain nose pliers and twist it to the side gently. Then we're going to slip on our earrings, come back with our chain nose pliers and bring it back so it touches, and then give it a squeeze. Okay, so there's one. Then we're going to do the second one, same way. Open it up gently. Put in our earrings. Bring it back. Pinch it together. And then you have your beautiful boho turquoise earrings. So beautiful. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.